13.50 seconds.
Here they are, standing at two places from where they will start this race. 32 participants from different states of India. Well, national record stands in the name of Bahadur Prasad. He set it up in Birmingham in 1992, 30 minutes 29.70. Well, as far as the Olympic qualifying mark is concerned, it's a far-fetched theory, because that is of 10 minutes 13.50 seconds. Someone has to not only break the national record but also has to improve a lot of seconds if someone wants to book his ticket to Tokyo. That's quite a tough task, a very challenging task, and here they all are running in a single line. So often we have seen that someone who is leading could not finish at the podium, as Sandeep of Haryana is setting up the pace at the front. It's nice to see the bird's eye view of the athletes. Murali Kumar Gavit did the double of gold medals in the Federation Cup and the National Athletics Championship at Ranchi. He won both the 5000 meter and the 10,000 meter race at that time, and closely gave him competition was Abhishek Pal. He won the silver in both the editions of Federation Cup. Murali Gavit won the gold in the Federation Cup. There is a correction that Murali Gavit won the gold medal in the Federation Cup in both 5000 and 10,000 meters. Then Abhishek Paul won the silver in the Federation Cup in both the contests, and both fought too bravely and took the race down to the wire. In fact, only 2 seconds divided the fate of those two races, in which Murali Gavit prevailed and won the gold medal. Well, both of the contestants, that is Murali Gavit and Abhishek Pal, are here. Still in the lead is Sandeep of Haryana, and the order is virtually the same. Second position is for another athlete of Haryana, Rohit Verma. So often we have seen that if two athletes are participating from the same team, then one becomes a pace setter and set up the pace, and the other becomes the chaser. Sandeep is still leading Murali Gavit. They are in the middle. He is waiting for his turn. He could not perform very well in the 10,000 meter as per the expectation. In fact, he could not finish among the top 3. Still 10 more laps to go to all these athletes on the track of NIS Patiala. Kamal Yadav is lagging behind. He is at the back. In fact, the gap is opening up. Still looking quite promising in his position. Are the athletes from Haryana. Here you can see they all are running at a very close distance. There is little to choose, and it's too early to say that who is going to finish the race at which position. Well, at this moment Rohit Verma is the leader, and just behind him is a close pack of athletes from Maharashtra, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. They all are chasing him. We all are waiting for an explosion of energy from either of the athletes. Murali Gavit still in the middle. He is waiting for his turn, and we all are watching the session closely. Here we are. Still leading is Rohit It's a very tough and grueling contest, heavily dominated by Ethiopians, Kenyans in the Olympic scene. Rohit is still leading and at the second position at the moment is Kartik Kumar of Uttar Pradesh. Anything can happen, 8 more laps to go in that contest. Lacked the mental concentration. I will take you to the 5000 meter race in a few minutes time from now, and let's continue our action with the triple jump. Praveen Chitrawal of Tamil Nadu.
धनलक्ष्मी के द्वारा इस प्रतियोगिता के दौरान बनाए गए 23.26 सेकंड के रिकॉर्ड को भंग करते हुए 23.21 सेकंड का नया नेशनल और
Praveen Chitrawal of Tamil Nadu is going to be our next jumper in the triple jump. Praveen Chitrawal started his race towards the point. Oh no, he lacked his concentration. He failed took his hoop and then the jump from the takeoff board. Next up in action and going for his fifth attempt is Edoze Paul. Edoze Paul of Kerala is going to be our next jumper. Edoze Paul getting all the encouragement from the crowd, which is present in lesser number but quite vocal and quite encouraging. Edoze Paul started his race with some rich speed. Oh, it's going to be a good one. Is he going to get a white flag for that or red one? Because that was very close. He got the white flag. It seems to be a very good throw, good jump from him. It's going to be close to 16 and a half in the end, I guess. 16.85. Can he cross that? All eyes are on that statistic. It's 16.21 there. Still he's confirming his position there. That was a good try by Edoze Paul. When now returning to the 5000 meter race for men, in which 5 laps to go. And now the action is picking up because some athletes have opened up a good gap over the rest of the field. As you can see now that the difference is building up. Harmanjot Singh from Madhya Pradesh is currently leading. Just following Harmanjot is Amit Jangid. Keep your eyes on him as well. Amit Jangid is a good athlete. Now he has closed the gap and putting pressure on Harmanjot. and following them closely and doing very well there. Is Arjun Kumar. But now you can see that the gap is building up. It's going to be very dangerous. Amit Jangir is opening up a very good gap. Amit Jangir, something has to be done to catch the pace of this man. Is it a strategy? Amit Jangir looking quite solid in his first position there, and he has opened up a gap of about 7 meters from this nearest challenger, Harmanjot. Amit Jangir, he is from Rajasthan. He is widening his position from the rest of the field. Is this just a ploy? Is just a disguise, or is just the position of authority? Amit Jangir going quite solo there, looking quite promising there. Oh, it's very interesting there. And other athletes are lagging behind. Something has to be done to catch the pace of the man from Rajasthan. At second position, the athlete who is running is now Puneet Yadav of Haryana. But Amit Jangir is building up a very solid gap over the rest of the field. The margin is of about 20 meters from the rest of the athletes who are chasing him. Amit Jangir looking quite promising in his first position there. 3 more laps to go. In fact, 2.5 for him after it. He will see that 2 laps to go. Amit Jangir, well, from the back of the peloton you can see that another athlete is emerging to give trouble to Amit Jangir. Amit Jangir is still, can he maintain his supremacy there? 2 more laps to go. Abhishek Pal has moved ahead and has decided the silver medal winner from the previous edition of a Federation Cup in both 5,000 and 10,000. Murali Gavit has lost the pace. Abhishek Pal, something has to be done to catch the pace of this man. Abhishek Pal is looking to close the gap, but not quite. Only 1.5 left to go for Amit Jangir. Amit Jangir looking quite solid in his position there. The margin between him and Abhishek Pal is of about 15 meters. In fact, it's now getting wider and wider, and it's now increasing. In fact, Amit Jangir looking quite solid in his position. He has opened up a very good gap. It's of now 20 meters, but Abhishek Pal from behind has also increased his speed. It's going to be very interesting because I guess that Abhishek Pal has something extra in his legs. But Amit Jangir looking quite solid, and from here onwards he is going to see that only 1 lap to go. Here he hear the bell. Amit Jangir, Abhishek Pal showing some signs of fatigue. I do not feel that Amit Jangir is going to be catched by these men. And falling at the third position is Karthik Kumar. Karthik Kumar is there at the third position there, but Amit Jangir looking quite solid there. Amit Jangir is getting extra bit of energy because he knew that he is at a solid position and he do not want to lose that. Amit Jangir, he's going quite solo there, and something has to be done to catch the pace of this man, but I do not think that anyone can. Abhishek Pal is trying so hard from behind at the second position. Karthik Kumar is at the third position there. In fact, a lot of athletes are going 1 lap down, but who cares about them when we are going to see such a solid race from Amit Jangir. Amit Jangir is now giving everything that he has in his legs. He can see the finishing line, and Abhishek Pal is trying so hard from behind. You can see now that Abhishek Pal is putting extra energy in his legs. He is sprinting, and Amit Jangir is showing some sign of fatigue. Amit Jangir is showing some signs of fatigue. Abhishek Pal is trying so hard from behind. Can Abhishek Pal win the gold medal? I do not think, but Amit Jangir is going to get the gold medal there. It's all now going down for the silver and the bronze, and in the end it's Abhishek Pal who got the silver in that contest and raised both arms in this jubilation and got the third spot in that contest. Was the athlete from Haryana, and his name is Puneet Yadav. Well, that race just finished, and just when 4 laps to go, it was Amit Jangir who broke away from the pack, and once he broke away from the pack, came to the first position, He maintained his supremacy and went from strong to strong to strong, and in the end, though he was under pressure from the lead chasing pack, but despite he finished at the first position there, he was totally exhausted in the end. But that's what we so often see. And he was under threat from Abhishek Pal there as well, because Abhishek Pal burst into the energy, and maybe he was thinking about fetching the gold medal and causing an upset, because the margin was of about 25 meters between him and Amit Jangal at one point of time. He closed that gap, but finally in the end, Amit Jangal, when he crossed the finishing line as the winner of this race, he was about 8 to 10 meters ahead of Abhishek Pal. As all the athletes are crossing the line one by one, and once we'll get the final timing, I will tell you about the statistics that all these athletes took in finishing the 5000 meter race. Here they are, and the last athlete who is approaching towards the finishing line, and after that our officials will give us the timing. In fact, a few more athletes are also there on the track. Good contest, and Amit Jangal, who belongs to Rajasthan, they have won that contest. One by one they are all leaving the scene, and now focusing our attention on the triple jump for men, and this is going to be the sixth and the final try. Getting ample support and good support from the crowd. Praveen from Tamil Nadu, he started his race towards the bold, and then some rich touch there, got the white flag there, but it's close to 16.4. Abdullah won the silver in the National Athletics Championship. Army men. Abdullah positioning himself well before the start of his run towards the bold. Good one. That was very close. Is he going to get the white flag or not? This is what we have to see. It's close to 16.8. It's going to be very close there. Are we going to see a new meet record there or not? It's looking quite promising. Very, very touchy in that area of the meet record. 16.59. I was fearing that another record is going into the books there. He could have done much better with that. Karthik Yu, another army man.